Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Manifest channel. Today we shall be looking into the review of Translate for Cash. Translate for Cash is a software that enables us to translate any text into different language. Let's say you can translate China language without knowing it into English language. You can transfer both local language differently without you having to have a knowledge of what that language is. So this software will enable us to translate these languages. You can translate any text without needing to know any foreign language. Before the barrier we have in translation is not knowing the language. How can you translate? How will you go about it? For this Translate for Cash has given us that avenue to translate any language, translate any text. So the thing here is you translate strings of text and document on a secret platform. In this platform, you translate and not just translating, you earn your cash while doing that. You earn a cash from $47 to $67 per hour. So the owner of this product, Kenny Tanks, brought this product to the field that those of us translating, you can translate this thing within 2 hours in a day if you don't have time. And you earn your cash. If you're able to translate it, if you're earning your cool cash, I don't think anything is stopping any of us from making this happen. If, for example, we are able to make two translation a day, if we're having $47 for one translation, we should be able to earn $94 because we say the translation we have here is from 47 to $67. Let's say we're able to have a translation that worth $50. If you're able to have two translations, that is $100. If you're able to do three translations, 3 hours in a day, that is $150. If in a week we are just dedicating 3 hours to do translation, in a week we are dedicating 3 hours for three documents, that is quickly 50. 50 times 3 is 150, of course we know. 50 times 3, that is 150. If we're saying 150 in a week is 7 already. That is $1,050. So if you're able to have $1,050 in a week, I don't know how that will change your financial status, your financial life. In one way or the other, you'll be able to make some payments, you'll be able to make clear your debts, even if you have money, even it will go a long way. $1,050 will go a long way in your life. So in this video, like we said, this product is beginner friendly. You can get paid, we get paper cash to translate strings of text and documents. Over 104 over 104,550 points 78 cents in profit given to our customers we translate for cash. We don't need to know any foreign language whatsoever. Like I said, 48 ordinary people like you profited with Translate for Cash. We get paid overnight. So you can do this thing now and you get paid tonight. Wow, that is interesting. Zero experience needed. Even a beginner could profit. Well, hundreds of happy customers. Fine. 30-day money back guarantee. Wow, that is good. That is good to hear. Plus get paid $100 if you fail. Wow. So what I'm telling us is that even if you not do anything, if you follow this procedure, if you follow the what I've given you, and at the end you did not still make money, they will give you your money back. I think that is good. I think that is good to hear. But the bottom line is when you enter into this platform, you really have to learn. You cannot just, of course, you have to learn. You cannot just enter the platform without learning and you expect you start earning your cash. There's some things you have to learn. Zero, although, like you said, zero experience in that, even a beginner could profit. Anybody, whether you're a child, anybody could profit from this. So these are the things I have seen here. No waiting, no extra fee, no tech. Okay, you will begin to tell yourself, I don't have any technical skill to type or to operate. You don't need all those things. No, no nonsense. If you know how to use a laptop, you know how to use a phone, you know how to type, I think you are good to go. I think you are good to go here. I think what that is what Kenny Tanks is telling us here. So you can see the page. Receive a rate of 47 payments daily, and the payment here is daily. The payment here is daily. This is not a scam. Payment here is daily. So I'm not seeing any overhype here. The thing is when you're ready to work, you get your money here, you get your cash. I think this is a legit place you can start earning $47 per hour. If you have more time, you can do more than that. You can scale more than that in a day. You can make up to $500 in a day with just this simple site. So let's get into the video. Let's know what this
What if
is
it
all
were
about.
possible to get paid $47 to $67 every time you translated a string of text or document? That's exactly what we're doing right now, and it's never been more profitable. Here, last week I earned a total of $3,087.56 in pure profit. Wouldn't it be nice to wake up to that kind of money in your bank account instead of seeing it always decrease? I tell you, I've been making money online for a while now, but the thrill of waking up to sales never gets old. So, what's the secret? How do I pull it off? It all comes down to a secret, untouched platform. It's the secret sauce that pays us $47 to $67 for translating documents and strings of texts. For instance, we are given a document in English, and we could easily get paid $47 for translating it into Japanese. You see, right now, billions of people around the world aren't able to communicate with foreigners due to language barriers. And that's why they're willing to pay you money to translate in a local language. But here's the problem. You probably don't know multiple foreign languages, or perhaps none at all. And that's where Translate for Cash comes in. Translate for Cash is the world's first app that uses breakthrough artificial intelligence, which allows us to get paid $47 to $67 each time we translate a document or simple string of text, without needing to know any foreign language whatsoever. See, after making a pile of cash from this, we decided to take things to the next level by helping ordinary people just like you. We invited a group of beta testers by giving them access to Translate for Cash. And guess what? In just 3 days, everyone ended up making cash with it. Even one of the beta testers ended up making $1,180.67 in just 5 days. Here, let me show you how simple it is. Step 1, upload. You'll be given a document or string of text. You'll want to upload this into the Translate for Cash system. Don't worry, this is super simple and doesn't require anything technical. Step 2, translate. Hit the translate button to the language that's needed. 1 mouse click required. And step 3, get paid. Enjoy daily deposits of cash directly into your bank account or PayPal. Withdraw cash anytime you need. After our members follow these 3 steps, they're able to receive payments directly to their PayPal or bank accounts, and you too could start doing the same, but only if you have Translate for Cash. The money we're making never stops coming in. Here, let me show you how easy it is for us to start getting paid. we translated one document and made $47.07. We translated two documents and made $87.14. We translated three documents and made $129.21. And to finish the day, we translated 10 documents and made $530.70. It doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you get paid for translating strings of texts and documents? Now, originally we planned on selling Translate for Cash it on a webinar for $997 one time. And although that is a hefty price, plenty would take us up on it, because it would quickly pay for itself. But hey, I get it, $997 is a lot of money to put up front. So, to make this accessible to anyone and everyone out there, I'm going to reduce the price to something that anyone can afford. Just the price of a cheap t-shirt gets you full access to Translate for Cash. However, this discount will not be available to everyone. See, if we let everyone on the planet use Translate for Cash, it would likely become quickly saturated, and we're not going to allow that to happen. So, to ensure that Translate for Cash keeps making its users money, we will only be taking in so many members. Once our capacity is reached, we will close our doors for good. So, if you like the sound of translating strings of text and documents that pays $47 to $67, then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. And to make this a total no-brainer, we'll give you $100 in cash for wasting your time. So, what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. Either you get a copy of Translate for Cash, get paid for translating strings of text and documents into different languages. Both ways, you win. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Translate to Profit at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.
Thanks, guys. So we've heard what Kenny Tanks has to tell us. So if you're going to buy this, then you can check on the link below. I have a free book that I can actually give you so that you can maximize your texting and your translation. You can go into other platform and start translating, and you can even scale up all this. Apart from this side, you can get other stuff. So click on the link below to get this free book and to get started in the best way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment on the comment section below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.